Let's design our invoice very quickly, easily and free using canva.com. Just go to this site, create account and type in over here invoice and choose invoice. And over here you have a bunch of templates. On the left side you can click free. Let's choose the free invoice over here. And all you need to do is to change the logo. Now select this logo, click delete and go to upload on the left side and upload the logo over here. Make sure it's in a PNG format and drop it over here. For example, logo over here, drag it inside, put it in like this and you have your logo. Change the number, date and so on. Just click inside and change the text. Everything is here. And to change the color, click on the background, click over here and choose the background, for example, to be blue. And change the text, for example, to be blue also. And everything over here to be blue. Sorry, write this. And this icon, for example, to be blue. And you have a nice looking invoice. To print it, you can print it, or you can download it over here in a PDF print suggested, or you can use an image like PNG, JPG and so on. And this is it. Thanks for watching.